Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a long awaited video. I've been planning to do this video since like before Christmas, and it was supposed to be a part of my Vlogmas videos, but I never got around to doing it. So today, today, I am bringing you guys my first luxury haul. In the past, I've never purchased any designer / luxury items, so I'm going to show you my inaugural luxury purchases. If you have not already, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I have a lot of fun videos to come. Like this video as well if you enjoy it, and yeah, let's get right on into what I picked up for my first luxury haul. Okay guys, like I mentioned in my get ready with me, if you have not seen that video, make sure you go check it out, and this will kind of give you some context on why I purchased these items. I am not in the realm where I can just purchase luxury items just because. I need a reason to purchase these items, because that's just how I am. I celebrated some small wins, we'll call it, or small successes. We paid off my boyfriend's student loans last year, passed the bar and became a barred attorney last year. My first successful year as an attorney in DC. So we were celebrating a lot. My first purchase comes from Louis Vuitton. I have been eyeing this bag, y'all. Been eyeing this bag for at least, I want to say, 2 years. And I said, okay, my first luxury handbag, I'm probably going to get this bag. And here we are. It's the Louis Vuitton can bag, and it retails, I think, for somewhere around $2,400 and some odd dollars. I'll leave the link to it down below so you can find it. I actually went in store to purchase it. I didn't want to because I don't care for the luxury vibes in stores. To me, it's actually kind of like weird. Let me know down in the comments if you're the same way, if you feel kind of weird when you go into luxury places, because I feel like it's so uptight for me and I'm so laid back and chilled. But whatever, I went in store and purchased it just because, really off of a whim. We went to look around in the mall, and I was like, okay, I'm going to stop by Louis Vuitton and see it in person, and then I'll order it online when I get home. Girl, I got in that store, looked at the handbag, looked in the mirror, and I was like, no, coming home with me. She's coming home with me. So yeah, that's how this happened. Even though it was planned, I planned to buy it online and not in store, but I ended up purchasing it in store. Let me tell you guys right now, I am not a big like specs and hardware type of person. If you're looking for a luxury connoisseur, like somebody who is really into this and can like describe things to the T for you, I would check out Kaylin. I think her YouTube name is like Kaylin Alexis or Kaylin Alex. It's one of those names. I'm going to link it down below in the description box. I watch her channel a lot, Just to Dream. A girl can dream, can't she? She is primarily in the luxury space, so she has all the details about stuff, and she's very knowledgeable about it. So check her out if you have the chance. What I look for in bags is I want to make sure that it's something that I really want, and I'm not being too heavily influenced by like social media. Like, to some aspect, we're all influenced by other people and social media. The way that I make sure that I really want something is time. And I've been wanting this bag for, like I said, 2 years, and I still I love it. I love having it. That's like the first thing. And then I go and look up to make sure like the brand is not like a cheapo depot luxury brand. There are some cheapo depot luxury brands out there. Y'all might have paused like, what? Like, how that happen? Like, luxury does not equal quality. So I make sure that I research exactly what I want. Make sure nobody else has been having problems with like handles breaking, zippers falling off, because let's be honest, we're paying way too much. We're paying way too much for things just to be breaking, and right now I'm not currently where the money resides. I like to make sure what I'm purchasing is quality at the end of the day, and it's something that I actually truly truly want. So that's how I vet the things that I kind of have on my like luxury wish list. I let it sit, let it marinate, and I kind of look at my wardrobe and make sure that it's something that I would truly wear, because I want my cost per use to be low. I'm not like a luxury collector. I don't buy luxury items obviously just to look at them. I want to wear them and make sure I get good wear out of them. So let me go ahead and open it and show you guys. I have some things in here. If y'all want to see what I keep in my bag video, y'all can let me know down below in the comments, or like this video to show me you would like to see more videos like this. But here's the bag. Here's it open. And initially when I saw it in person, I was not expecting that it would be this size. It looks smaller to me on the internet. Like, so that was a happy surprise, because I was like, oh, I'm hoping my phone, I have the iPhone, what is this, 8 Plus. It's old, but she still works for now. It's huge, right? It's a humongous phone, and I was scared, and it almost kind of doesn't fit, but you have to like slant it. I'll show you guys. You have to kind of like slant it back for it to fit. Like, you can't just do it like this or it won't even fit. So I thought it was going to be much smaller, and I was like pleasantly surprised that it wasn't. It's got some good space in here. Like, I keep the strap in here, which I probably shouldn't. I probably should keep the strap in the duster bag that it comes with, which is inside out right now. But I've been keeping it in the bag. By the way, it comes with a strap. You can hook up the straps to both sides of the bag to make it a crossbody, or just to wear it on the shoulder if you keep a lot of heavy stuff in your bag and you think that it'll be too heavy to carry like this. You can always wear it off the shoulder. I haven't worn it like this yet. I might. I can't really tell you, but I wasn't gonna walk in there and be like, oh, leave the strap. No, we paid for this. We paid for this. So this is good to have probably if you're traveling or you're going to be doing a lot of walking and you don't really care to hold it like this. Let me zip it up, because I know that's probably annoying some of you that I keep making it like that and it's open. Here you have a lock, so if you for whatever reason want to lock your purse, I personally won't do this, because right now I can't even tell you where the key is for this lock. So I would never be locking it, but whatever you do, you take the key, unlock it, and you put it in this. You put the leather piece over that, and then you relock it just as it is right now, except this piece is gonna be over that little piece right there. If you use locks on your purse, let me know how and why you use it, because I don't really see a reason for me to be using it. It also has like these little, I call them kickstands at the bottom. As you can see, I still have not taken the plastic off of them, because just out of pure laziness, I keep forgetting to do it. So when you put your purse down, your actual purse doesn't touch the surface. It's these little kickstands that hold it up, and I think that's a cute little detail that I've never really noticed on any handbags. It probably is there, but I guess I noticed it because it was plastic over the little pegs, and I was like, that's what that's for. So yeah, she's my first baby. Welcome her to the family. I'm so pleased with this. It has everything that's classic about Louis Vuitton with, I feel like, a more modern, trendy touch. I feel like that makes it a bag that will transcend generations, because you have classic and what is now modern, but what will probably become like a vintage look. Okay, so now that the big purchase is out of the way, I'm gonna show you some other little items that I picked up. Not too little, but little enough. The next thing that I picked up was a pair of Chanel sneakers. So I won't even lie, the pair that I originally wanted was available nowhere in the United States. I emailed Chanel and they was like, yeah, we only, like, the closest place to you that has those in stock would be in Europe. And I'm like, whew, I'm not going all the way to Europe to get no shoes, especially with the Rona out here. So I went in store just to see what types of sneakers my location had in stock, and I stumbled across these. At first I was like, like when I looked at it on the shelf, I was like, I don't know. But when I tried them on, I was like, okay, these are for me. And it fits the whole neutral vibe that I'm going for now. I'm trying to keep my clothing and wardrobe simple, have pieces that can go with a lot of things. So this fits right in. Here is the shoe. And I'll leave the link to them. Well, it's not really a link. Well, there's a link, but you can't actually purchase Chanel online. But I'll leave the link with the like specs and all the stuff that other people care about in the description box below, so you can check it out and see if it's for you. But here's the sneaker. It is like a tan and black color, and it has like this quilt detailing across the sides, and it has the Chanel logo on the shoe, the Chanel like right here and right here. They are very comfortable. In the inside, it has like this camouflage green color, like that army green color. I love how that looks against the black and the nude. I just think this is something that I can, like I said, my cost per use can get really low, because it will go with so many things. I think it came with an extra set of shoestrings, but you know, did cost a lot. Maybe should come with an extra pair of shoestrings. And there we have it. With these, I would suggest that you go up a size. I think that I would be normally in Italian sizes a 39, but in these I had to get a 40 just to make sure that they were comfortable and that I could walk for long distances in this, because like I said, I will be wearing these a lot. These are not just, you know, for the little showcase in my closet. No, we will be walking in these and, you know, putting them to work. And of course the shoes came with these little shoe bags for like traveling. I like that. That's a nice touch, because you know, when you're traveling and you don't want stuff to be all over your nice shoes, you can isolate them and not have to worry about them getting messed up or anything like that. The last thing that I purchased as a part of my luxury haul was another Chanel purchase. I did not want to do it. I didn't want to do it. So somewhere along the lines, my video cut out, and I was saying something like how I've been wanting these earrings since I was in middle school, and people were getting the knockoff ones at the beauty supply store. And y'all, I didn't even want to do it, because I didn't think that I should be paying that much money. I think these were like $400 and some odd for costume jewelry. I don't know, that seems pretty high for me. But also, I'm not knowledgeable enough in fine jewelry to be going and spending that type of money on fine jewelry. So I don't really know. I know that when I walked in the store and I saw these, it was just something about them. It's just that classic Chanel double C stud earring that I'm pretty sure a lot of people wanted when they were little. I really like these. They are gold with the like silver studs in the middle. I have heard some people talk about the studs falling out. I'm hoping that one, that doesn't happen, because like it's too expensive for stuff to be falling out, and two, that if it does happen that they fall out, that it won't be noticeable. So far, all of my studs are in place, like they're all there, like no diamond little stud whatever is missing. So that's good, and I have been wearing them. I've worn them at least 6 times since I purchased them. So far so good. I'm hoping we can keep it that way, and then I won't ever really have to buy another pair. I can keep this as a classic staple in my collection. I'm hoping that they don't turn or do anything like that. I don't see many people complaining about them turning. It's more so with the studs coming out. But yeah, I walked in that store and I really just could not resist getting these, because I've wanted these for so long. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my luxury haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm super excited about these purchases, and even more excited about the things that I was able to accomplish over 2020. It's not like I could use this money to go on a vacation. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already, girl, what you waiting on? Hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.